St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Island is a beautiful travel destination for anyone looking for a thrill, or just some rest and relaxation. There are many beautiful harbors and tons of activities that tourists will enjoy. Hello and welcome back to your travel buddy. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to do so and click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Now let's continue exploring St. Thomas. There are many historic sites and museums if you are into exploring new cultures, and also some stunning beaches if you enjoy ocean views and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. If neither of those suit your vacation needs, then there are also other options for you to explore. For instance, you can go on a bike ride, or grab your backpack and go hiking. Either way, there are endless things to do. Now let's get into some of the must-visit places in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. First up is Coral World Ocean Park. There are so many exciting things to see and do here. Visit the Undersea Observatory, located about 9 meters below sea level, and explore various sea creatures such as sharks, stingrays, turtles and sea lions, to name a few. If you love visiting aquariums, then the Marine Gardens Gallery has plenty to offer, 21 to be exact. Another must-visit option when in the U.S. Virgin Islands is Charlotte Amalie. Here, tourists can check out the breathtaking sceneries, delicious restaurants, and explore buzzing nightlife. If you are looking to satisfy your need for shopping, you will be happy to know that it is tax-free. The St. Thomas Sky Ride is also located in Charlotte Amalie. Before taking this ride, it's important that you are prepared to be lifted about 200 meters or more in the air. If you'd like to showcase your swing, then you can try your hand at a round of golf with views of the Atlantic Ocean. If you'd like to learn more about all that St. Thomas U.S. Virgin Islands has to offer, then check out visitusvi.com. Let us know in the comments if you've visited St. Thomas, and what you enjoyed most about the island. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.